want to register someone on VideoMind directly to your link is when coming to your dashboard as this. You make sure you see your referral, see your referral link here. This one, https / videomind.org.sign up. This one here, see it, this one here is your referral link. All you need to do is to copy it. You copy it and send it, like copy text, send it to whomsoever you want to register. But if you are the one who want to register, the person give you his own details or her own details to register for. All you need to do is to click on the VideoMind this thing. Okay, you fill in his first name, last name, username, password, email address, and also a phone number. Then you select your team. Make sure if you are on LML team, you're registering for LML team, and if you are for affiliate, you are to register someone who wants to be an affiliate. Do not go and register someone who is on LML team while you are on affiliate. The coupon, that 2,000 you paid for coupon code here, you're going to insert it here. For your coupon, this is for the coupon. You're going to paste it here. While this place, you are putting nothing here. You're not going to put anything here. Referral link. Your referral link already is Agent Samuel, is the one referring, so that is all. Whenever you finish, you accept the terms and conditions and sign up. You are going to sign up successfully without any other thing. If it is written, it's going to show you. If it is written coupon has already been used or the coupon is invalid, you make sure you still contact your seller, or let me say the person you buy your coupon from. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching Sam Smart YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and also like to my YouTube channel. And most important thing is you click the icon button that is showing bell, so that whenever I drop anything related to this, you will be notified. Thank you.